The pain that she has been through is indescribable, uncontainable, and we just couldn't find the right words to explain it. The pain that she has been through is indescribable, uncontainable, and we just couldn't find the right words to explain it. She was tortured and almost killed by her own husband. She was in coma due to the beatings that she had gone through. She always used to ask her mother. My people, I just put some shots. I don't know whether YouTube will accept them because he get one video when I published yesterday, day for yesterday, about a mother share her husband with her daughter. That video, that video, I be put on, but YouTube deny me to upload them. That is why I can't put the picture. My people, I bring this story come from now. This story go get part 1, part 2. I be not know. This lady now from Kenya. Yes, now from Kenya. This lady, she said when she did 2 years, say she don't know her father. Then when she come dey 10 years, they put her for boarding school. Her mom not dey Kenya. Her mom dey Saudi Arabia. When her mom dey Saudi Arabia, then her auntie and yes, her auntie and her uncles now they take care of her, but they can't put her for boarding school. Then maybe her mom they pay. But if she come to time of holiday, those her uncle and her auntie, they will come collect their own children. Then nobody will come from her, come collect, come carry her. He said one day, one fateful day, they send her letter for school, for body school. That time she did 10 years. They send her letter. They say she can't carry the letter, go give her headmistress because she don't understand. That time she's still young. She don't understand. Now the headmistress say, make she not worry. Say, from today's go, she go be her mother. Then they abandon her for the school. She said after, then they can't ask her. Maybe one of the children can ask her. Say when they resume school, you know they now here you see they say yes, say they abandon her. Say she now the headmistress can't adopt her. He said later now they can't come, they can't carry her go house again. When the holiday, they say when she did the school, nobody to come to show her love. Since when she was born, nobody don't ever show her love. Nobody don't ever call her sweet name. Like as what they call our daughter, like me, I call my daughter mommy, all those sweet tea, me, no, those sweet tea. So what they call your child. He said nobody don't ever call her like that as she grow. They know something. He said when she come there, later her mom come from Saudi Arabia, come to Kenya. He can say her mom can say all the stuff when you pass to say everything don't end now, blah 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 blah. She can't be happy, you know. Then her mom can't go marry. When her mom married, the man when her mom married, when she married for Kenya, the man she just did about her mom money. Then when she come back from school, say her mom go send her go this man village. Make she go stay this man village. A day to resume school, now she go take come. Say she can't they suffer. He say, my mom does still come. Now she suffer, I see they suffer. Say she not talk. He said later, the same man, when her mom married, when he come from Saudi Arabia, this man don't finish her mom money. This man can't live her. Say her mom can't fall sick. When her mom fall sick, she need to stop work. No, before then, when this man don't chop this money, this man can't leave her mother for. This man don't leave her mother. Say life can't dey tough. Say her mother money don't finish when he carry come from Saudi Arabia. Now her grandmom come say she know they go school. Wetin happen? Then her mom don't dey sick. So make they go to some place. Make they go they control the house. Then she go they go school. Her grandmom be like say they see and get small. Be like say hotel, something like hotel. Say the area for Kenya is rough. If they bring the video, if I put am, if you be Kenyan, you go know where this particular place be. He said now one day, no, her auntie come say, school when you they go, you no good though. No, she not like this school. Say they come carry her come up for this school, I can't go put her for another school. Say she her mother come there. Later they come destroy the place. Then she her mother come need to come out. Then her mother fall sick. Then she need to start work. Say she come they do work, she do promote work, she do all kind of work for Kenya. He said later, she will never see somebody when call her sweet name. Or that means her mom don't come from Saudi, come Kenya. He never want they call her name. Her mom know they show her love. She don't even know mother love. She don't even know her father's love. She just did. Behold, he can't find this man. Now this man they tell her, say she love her. Cause say, somebody never one day tell her, say she love her. You love me? The man say, yes, I love you. Then the man go they call her. If she they work, she can't be happy. Since when she was born, when she don't grow up to know something, say her, she never see anybody when call her sweet name. This man they call her sweet name. She can't fall in love. He said, now she can't follow the man. He said she don't even spend time because what did she they look for many years. Nobody ever call her sweet name. He just bow now. This man they call her sweet name. Then she can't fall in love with the man. She just rush follow the man go house. He said she can't follow the man go house now. He said now another better hot pepper soup start. Say this man go panel beat her today.
This man go beat her today. Say this man go dey beat her, dey beat her. She no know what to do. He said one day she come, as the man come start to dey beat her around something 12 o'clock in the night. He said if the man want dey beat her, the man go off light where she dey. But where the man dey, the man go on light. So that make the man dey see her. The man go dey beat her, beat her. He said one day that's what the man beat her from evening till the next day, 4 o'clock. He said as the man beat her finish, he said now so the man, he look and say she not going to feel the beat. And so the man carry pressing iron, put her for her back. She collapse. As she collapse, she can't find herself for hospital. As she find herself for hospital, later everything come dey well. She can't go back house. She can't find out say she get belle. Do now. She come born. As she come born this pikin, as she still get this belle, the man say they beat her more. As she come born, the pikin just spend 3 hours. The pikin can't die. She can't dey happy say, at least joy don dey come her life. This pikin, it go change the family life. First of all, before she born, she got this man mother-in-law side. Now her mother-in-law come dey feel, he come dey say, you marry my son. She come say yes. She say the mother-in-law come dey say they pity for her. Why mother-in-law go dey pity for me? Normal, all mother they happy say their son marry. Say she no know say na the eba and the pepper soup when she dey chop, now the woman dey pity for. He say after she don born the pikin come die. He say her mother come carry her go house. After her mother carry her go house, say the man start to dey beat her again. Boom, 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 boom. As the man beat her, now she carry her property, she run. As she run, she come make small money. She come give her mom, make they start business. Because her mom not come get money again. She come go dey start her life. He said later, now her mom call her, say, girl, my daughter, come oh, this person, if they beat her oh, if they beat her well, this man want buy her, he want collect his life. Now house, now she come run go meet her mom. As she reach there, now ex-husband, now her mom they do vaga. Her ex-husband, now her mom they do vaga. When they find, yes, they not see her. When they find, say she puts pressing iron for her daughter back, make they arrest her. The man come say na her mother na hide her. When make na not see her to arrest. Mother, how come? They say na so they see her. Since over 15 years, now they date. Then if they date me, if they marry me, her mother they do vagaran. Will I say the story? Then her daughter there with this man. Then this man and her mom, they get married. They say they married themselves. That is why the beat was much. Because nobody go cry to. Her mom was supposed to cry to now. Her mom, they do vaga the man. Say now so they can't do. She can't vex come out. As she can't vex come out, she can't go another place. From there now, she can't no. As she can't vex come out, then her mom can't dey sick. This lady mom, she can't dey sick. Then they can't need to call this lady, say, come, your mother dey sick. Oh. The man don't abandon this your mother. As she reach there, now only her mother she meet for inside house. As she meet only her mother for inside house, she can't rush her mother, go hospital, take care of her mother, do everything, carry her mother, enter house, take care of her mother. At the end, her mother can't recover. As her mother can't recover, all the debt, all the borrow money, when this lady borrow, her mother just leave her, come out. Behold, her mother still go back to the lady ex-husband. Then before that part, so this lady, as everywhere was tough for her, she can't go pastor, she can't go fast, she go far that time. Oh, now she can't go church. As she can't go church, can't say, this pastor wife can't fall in love to know this lady always dey come church, she know they miss church, she know they miss program. Wetin this lady, who be this lady? They can't call her, they can't interview her, she can't talk her story. Say now this pastor, they can't leave her, she can't go. Later now they can't say, she say you need work. This pastor can't say you need work. Say yes. Can't say make she write her CV, make she break up for her. She can't give her CV. Then on faithful day, this pastor can't call her, say, girl, come, I don't see job for you. Say now she reach there. As she reach there now, she can't go to the pastor house. As she reach there, the pastor just hold her. He just rape her. As the pastor can't rape her, she can't dey cry. Say, you said that job you want give me. Now rape, you can't rape her. Say the pastor can't, the pastor no answer. I can't push her out. Tear her clothes. Can't push her out. My people. He said the pastor can't push her out. After some months, she can't be sick. She can't need to carry herself go hospital. As she carry herself go hospital now, as she reach there, they test her, say nothing they do, and say I'm pregnant. She can say pregnant. Now let this pastor, now rape her. She not near any man. They can say, say you don't dey pregnant. Say now she go pastor. She can't give pastor. Say take your job. Wait till you sow. It don't germinate. Can't reap wetin you sow. Say now pastor say wait till be that. She give the pastor result. Say now pastor give her 1,000. Their money, Kenyan money 1,000. Pastor can't give her. She can say, what do you say? Say me you go flush. She can say, how you go flush am? How you put no say 1,000 go fit flush pikin for womb? Why you say me you flush am? Say pastor come push her. Cause say na you know. Pastor abandon her. He say tough. In fact, everything come dey tough for her. She dey chop ewedu and pepper soup. In fact, she dey chop. In fact, nothing she no ever chop. He say because he carry his body go another church. Yes, she can't carry herself go another church. I say reach the church. He can't they go church. She can't cry, still make them. He said one faithful day, this pastor say, Holy Spirit speak to them, say, she na ash. He say, Holy Spirit say, make the driver come up for the church. Say she not marry when he get belle. My people. He say, no, he say, she cry. He say, if they see God, may God prove himself. He say, nobody, no pastor, nobody, he don't ever believe, say, church, they exist. Or God, the servant of God, they exist for this world. You see pregnant woman, say, Holy Spirit. As now they use Holy Spirit, say they lie. As now they use Holy Spirit, say they lie. I just they talk the story, my people. She said, now so she can't do, she can't born the pikin. She passed through. And she can't see born the pikin. One faithful, the pikin can't say, mommy, be like I'll stop for here so that made the video not too long. Mommy, where my father? I don't get papa. He said, dear, he can still contact this man. This man need to block her. Block everything unblockable. Block her for all social media. My people, I go leave her for this one. Now watch the video for the part 2. And now still listen to the now still listen also. I'll need me I leave her. Made the video not too long.
Because it was in vernacular. But today I remember it very clearly, and I came to understand what was written. And this is what was written.
Your mother does not care about you anymore, so why should we care about you? You shall live in poverty, die in poverty, and you will dig a grave and bury yourself. She ended up falling in love with this man.
And I would listen, he would call. Did you get to work? Well, are you working? So that feeling kept me knowing I was loved. I was walking up my hills knowing that I had someone who loved me. And it didn't last for, I moved in with him. And so I became...
When she moved in with him, life became a nightmare because she was always beaten each and every day for no good reason.
The Spirit of the Lord, break the chains. One more time. Break the chains.